In today's video, I'm going to teach you what YouTube TV is and how it works. YouTube TV is an over-the-top or OTT streaming service designed to give you a cable-like live TV experience without needing a traditional cable box or long-term contract. Instead of getting television through a cable line, you stream everything over the internet. That means if you already have a solid internet connection, you can watch live channels, sports, news, and entertainment from a wide selection of networks, all through one monthly subscription. One of the biggest reasons people look at YouTube TV is because it can act as a replacement for traditional cable. The service offers more than 100 live TV channels, which gives you access to a broad mix of programming in one place. Depending on what you like to watch, that can include live sports, local news, popular entertainment channels, and family content. The experience is built to feel familiar if you've used cable before, but it's delivered in a more flexible, streaming-friendly way. Another major advantage is how easy it is to access. You can stream YouTube TV on smart TVs, mobile devices, and web browsers, so you're not tied to one screen or one room in your home. If you prefer watching on a large TV, you can do that from your living room. If you want to catch something on your phone or tablet while you're away from the couch, that works too. And if you're on a computer, you can simply use a web browser to sign in and start watching. Everything is connected through a single monthly subscription, which helps keep the setup simple and convenient. YouTube TV also includes a very useful DVR feature. Instead of worrying about running out of recording space, you get unlimited cloud DVR storage. That means you can record shows, games, and events without having to constantly manage storage limits. Your recordings are saved for up to 9 months, giving you plenty of time to go back and watch what you missed. This is especially helpful if you follow multiple series or want to save live events to watch later on your own schedule. For households with multiple viewers, YouTube TV supports up to 6 individual accounts. Each person can have their own profile, which helps keep recommendations, watch history, and recordings more personalized. That way, the service can better match each viewer's interests instead of mixing everyone's preferences together. Overall, YouTube TV combines live television, flexible streaming access, unlimited cloud DVR, and personalized household profiles into one internet-based service. If you're looking for a modern alternative to cable, this gives you a clear idea of what YouTube TV offers and how it fits into everyday viewing.